How to fix if gallery app keeps crashing in your Android device on Samsung. To fix if the gallery application is keeping on crashing by itself on a Samsung device, what could be the case? The first thing you can try to do is to simply long press the gallery app icon, then tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page of the gallery app. From here, scroll down and select the option called storage. Clear the cache files of the gallery app and also clear the data. Don't worry, it will not delete the photos on your system, it will only delete the data for the gallery app. Once you've done that, try to force stop the application like this and just try to reopen it again and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. It will reopen everything in the process. Now check for the gallery app update through your Galaxy Store. So open up a Galaxy Store on your Samsung device and just go to the app section or tap the search bar from the top right hand side. And within the search bar, just type in gallery and you'll find the Samsung gallery application over there. And if it has an update, you can try to update it, or you can use alternative gallery apps if none of these are working for you. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.